I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people with workplace-related issues like job search, hiring more effectively, managing and leading. If you see a job posting on a company's website for your position, does it mean that they're looking to fire you? Wow. Big leap there between seeing a job description, thinking it's yours, and that they're planning on firing you. Now, if we're looking at a decent-sized firm, I'll let you define what that is. They may be trying to hire someone like you, and thus you're dealing with what often happens is a hiring manager who calls over to HR when they have the permission to hire and goes, "You got that job description we used to hire fill in the blank name? Yeah, I need another one like he or she. You think you could share that one and see who you turn up?" That's most of the time what happens because everyone's too busy to write these from scratch every time. I'm sure you've heard of databasing, and thus previous job descriptions are saved and recycled. Another manager could be using this job description to fill a position for their staff. And yes, it could mean that they're planning on firing you. I have no way of judging that. But I do know the statistical probability is they're trying to hire someone with a background like yours, and they took the shortcut of just using the same job description they used to hire you. Hope you found this helpful. My answer, like many others, is at my website, thebiggamehunter.us. Go there, go exploring. There's a ton there that can help you with your job search, managing and leading, hiring more effectively. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching, there are buttons on the site that say schedule. You can schedule time for a free discovery call or an introductory call if you prefer to call it that. You can schedule time for coaching, which I obviously charge for. Also want to say, subscribe to my channel on YouTube by clicking the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left. And you can also watch me on FireTV by downloading the Job Search TV app, or on AppleTV, Roku, and 90 other video platforms. Download an app called bingenetworks.tv. You'll find me there. Have a great day and take care.